Hi, I've just got a little short and sweet video for you today. This is just a giveaway video, so I'm not going to do my usual intro. I'm just going to get straight on into it. So I recently recorded a video for Basique Jewelry. Absolutely stunning jewelry, really, really nice. I was so happy with it. And they contacted me and asked if I wanted to do a giveaway for some of my viewers or subscribers. And I was more than happy to do that because, as you all know, I love giving back to you. So Basique Jewelry specialise in minimal jewellery. It's absolutely stunning, really, really nice. Go and check out the original video if you haven't already. I go into a lot more detail in there, but beautiful, beautiful pieces. So their philosophy is what you wear doesn't necessarily express your value, your job or your economic status, but what you believe in. Exploring notions of strength and vulnerability. It's taken me ages to say that word. I finally did. And finding beauty in the authenticity, the imperfect, the unfinished, or even broken. Basique encapsulates the essence of people's nature. So yeah, absolutely beautiful philosophy behind it as well. And yeah, it tops it all off that the jewellery is absolutely amazing too. So if you would like to get your hands on two pieces of the jewellery, actually, I'm going to choose 3 winners. So there's 6 pieces in total and you can each choose 2 pieces of jewellery off the website. And there are minimal conditions, to be honest. All you need to do is be subscribed to me and also Basique Jewelry, and also pop over to my Instagram channel, which I'll link in the description box below, where you'll also need to follow myself and Basique on there as well. That's it. Simple. So yeah, I'll pop the rules down below as well for you so you can go through them there. But yeah, so other than that, good luck and thanks for watching.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.